हाय एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। हाउ आर यू गाइस डूइंग? आई नो कल रिजल्ट आया है, बहुत सारे आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चों का कल रिजल्ट आया है एंड यू आर स्टिल प्रोसेसिंग वट एवर मे बी योर रिजल्ट. All I just want to tell you is I am not undermining the pain you may be going through after seeing the unsuccessful result, and you need your own time to heal and process everything. I understand totally, so I'm not gonna bother you for another 2 to 3 days, but I'm still here. I wanted to tell that I'm still here. If you want to reach out, do reach out to me, and I'll surely get back to each one of you. During this weekend also. Uh, but take your time to process everything, heal, and then come back even stronger, because coming week से हमारे पास अभी time नहीं है, right? So we, because I am there, right? Last time में तो I came very late, but luckily this time I am there since the beginning. So we will start from Monday एकदम full fledged अच्छे से करना चालू करते हैं. If you need to talk to me, you can talk to me. But अगर नहीं ज़रूरत है and you know how to figure out everything, please keep on studying. यूट्यूब लाइव स्ट्रीम में आना है या वर्चुअल लाइब्रेरीज में ज्वाइन करना है, हाउएवर जो जो आपको प्रेफरेंस होता है आप करो. बट पढ़ाई अच्छे से करना, वापस चालू करना पड़ेगा. जो टेक्निक्स पे हम मैं हमेशा फोर्स करती हूँ करने के लिए, बच्चों ने अप्लाई किया, उनको काम आया, यू कैन सी द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ इट ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन अप्लाई द सेम थिंग्स. एंड इसके अलावा कुछ ऐसा है जो नहीं फिगर आउट हो रहा है, मुझसे भी नहीं हो रहा है, यू वांट टू टेक समवन एल्सेस गाइडेंस, आप लो. लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं हारना है. इस टाइम पे एक बार और ट्राई करेंगे, बिल्कुल जी जान से ट्राई करेंगे, राइट? एंड कोशिश करेंगे कि हम अपना बेस्ट देंगे, बाकी रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज ऑन ICAI's हैंड, राइट? सो इतना है. I have one more message, one very important message for students who have qualified their chartered accountancy examination in May 24. ठीक है, 2024 अभी जो रिजल्ट आया है उसमें जो CA फाइनल के बच्चे क्वालिफाई हुए हैं, प्लस if they are looking for a job in Mumbai, plus if they are looking for a job in indirect taxation, litigation or advisory, both. So there is a great opportunity in terms of money, in terms of work wise, in a law firm, one of the best law firms in Mumbai, where my husband is working. Right, I have told you guys that my husband is advocate. He is an advocate, and he suggested me because there are many openings in his law firm, which again pays really well, right? I'm telling you upfront, this the organization pays really well. प्लस अगर आपको मुंबई का मालूम है एंड यू नो अबाउट द मरीन ड्राइव, तो मरीन ड्राइव के जस्ट सामने आता है, लेकिन इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू मरीन ड्राइव. इट्स ऑन द मोस्ट सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ जो बॉम्बे का रहता है ना, वहां पर वो ऑफिस है. It pays really well. You will be able to afford that lifestyle over here. That is why I'm suggesting you, and they need many CAs. So I just happened to spoke to the HR of the firm, and I got to know that there are many opportunities. तो अच्छा, one more thing she said, that opportunities are also in their Bangalore office, ठीक है? एंड दिल्ली एंड पुणे में भी अगर बच्चे मिल जाते हैं तो आई वांट टू सजेस्ट दैट. सो व्हाट शी सेड, मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर एंड पुणे, ये 4 जगह के मुझे उनको सीवीज भेजने हैं फॉर CA स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव गॉट सम एक्सपोजर, गुड एक्सपोजर इन इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन. GST का थोड़ा काम सीखा है ड्यूरिंग द आर्टिकलशिप के पीरियड में, उसके बाद में भी किया हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं भी किया है तो भी थोड़ा ऑडिट का एक्सपोजर तो चाहिए, लेकिन GST का एक्सपोजर है, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन, लिटिगेशन और एडवाइजरी में यदि काम करना है तो यू कैन ज्वाइन दैट लॉ फॉर्म. वन ऑफ द नाइस मतलब, what do I say, very strong law firm hai. My husband gets the exposure of working with in high court, and he represents clients in many different platforms, regulatory platforms as well. So you may consider this. And one more important thing, my husband's boss is a chartered accountant there, right? So if you think you buy chartered accountants in law firms, that's how things work in Bombay. Litigation space CAs भी काम करते हैं, right? Advisory में भी CA and lawyers दोनों काम करते हैं. That's how the market is in Mumbai, and same thing is going on in Bangalore as well. So you please, if you are considering this opportunity, and if you want to apply, you can send me your CV at madhu7thakuria@gmail.com, with your preference of city and also mentioning that you have worked in GST during your articleship or post that also, and you have recently qualified. So do that, I'll make sure that I'll get you hired over there. उतना जिम्मेदारी, you know me right by now. So मैं हवा में तो बात करती नहीं हूँ, right? So if I am screening your CV and अगर सब चीजें मैच हो जाता है उसमें से, so I'll get you hired in that firm, and plus you will have a special reference coming from my husband because he is an working as on a retainership with that law firm. And I promise you that is one of the biggest law firms. So if I'm selecting your CV, I'm going to tell you the name of that law firm as well. बिल्कुल नरीमन पॉइंट पे है यार, मरीन ड्राइव की तरफ पर, बेस्ट लोकेशन, पे वाइज इट इज रियली गुड, एंड वर्क वाइज तो कमाल का काम मिलने वाला है उसका तो, मतलब आई हैव सीन माय हस्बैंड्स वर्क, सो आई नो हाउ वेल he does over there, and he loves his job over there as well. So that's it. I'm talking about job opportunities for CA final, CA kids who have just qualified in the field of indirect taxation, litigations plus advisory. A lot of high court and tribunal exposure is gonna be there. You will work with the industry ke great minds, working in Mumbai, and pay wise it's gonna be good. Location is just fantastic. So I'm sitting just right there, matlab I can, if I get out from this, I can see Marine Drive, like wo Barish or Samudra and everything. Like the location wise it's really good. So if you are considering this very seriously, do send me a CV. I will mention that CV in the announcement also where I'm sharing this. It is madhu7thakuria@gmail.com. During this weekend, during the Saturday Sunday, I am going to do the screening of all the CVs. I will reach out to you. If you are interested into this field ना, तो ही आप भेजो, ऐसे randomly मत भेजो. I am figuring out jobs for everyone, but this particular opportunity के लिए ना, please consider your, if you are considering yourself, consider it seriously, and let's see how it works out. All I know is there are many more vacancies, right, both in Bangalore and Bombay office. So काफी बच्चों को I can make sure कि if they are applying, we can make sure that they are hiring, right? And plus ongoing वहाँ पर चलता रहता है hiring का, तो future में भी opportunities आएंगे. I made that message again very long, but this is important thing. I just got the HR, so I could not control myself, and I came here and tell you everything. So things are in motion. This was for the CA वाले बच्चों के लिए हो गया वो. For rest of the kids, things are in motion. I will be here every day, Monday to Friday for the live streams. I'll help you out. Remaining Saturday Sunday में you can reach out to me WhatsApp वगैरह, वहाँ पर ये करेंगे. But we will start doing the मेहनत again. I am doing the मेहनत again to teach some of the subject, but other than that also कुछ भी guidance चाहिए तो I am available. But we have to be moving now, right? अभी हो गया, process कर लो 1-2 दिन में. लेट्स सैटरडे संडे और ले लो, मंडे से फुल फ्लेजेड स्टार्ट कर लो आपका प्रिपरेशन, एंड सब बहुत अच्छे से हो जाएगा. यू विल बिकम सीए, उस पर तो कोई यार सवाल ही नहीं है, दूसरा कोई सवाल नहीं है, राइट? इट जस्ट कि थोड़ा सा भगवान कभी कभी ज्यादा टेस्ट कर लेता है. दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से नाउ, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू गाइज, एंड होप टू सी सम गुड इंटरेस्ट in the litigations and advisory into indirect taxation, right? So that's it. All right, bye bye.